name is Cody. Today we are making a ramp. So this is the one we have made last time. Go check out the fingerboarding video. It's at the end. But yeah, go check out his video. Link in the description. Okay, link in the description. All you're going to be needing is a box. See, a box. Some tape. Some scissors. That's all you need. And some double-sided tape.
And this is the original ramp we made.
No. Yeah. Get that out.
Jesus Christ. Original ramp.
Okay, so
this ramp sucks, so he wants to make a new one.
So my mom's in the background. Say hi.
Hey.
She's gonna be telling us what to do. Because I'm stupid sometimes and probably don't know what to do.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
That's why I know him.
So first of all, this is the only part that I know. You have to cut off these little tabbies. I don't know what they're called, but yeah.
So we will come right back.
Hold on.
Stop